Christ Community Church has hosted the Leadership Summit for the past 3 years, and this year they're doing it again. Here to tell us all about it is Mark Burlinson. Tell me a little bit about this. You know, this helps the community in so many ways. Just talk to me a little bit about it.
Sure, Hallie. It's hosted here at Christ Community, but it comes from Chicago, from a big church there that pulls together the very best leadership input and makes it appropriate for not just church leaders, but leaders in every sphere of society. So we have non-profit leaders, business leaders, government, the police department come. Lots of people come together to get leadership input to make them better at what they do. The slogan is lead where you are. And so every one of us can improve by just 2 days together. That input boosts our leadership. I get enough out of it in 2 days that I spend the rest of the year working it out.
And it's so great. Inspiring too, I'm sure.
It is, because you're getting the best of the best all in one place.
Oh yeah, and it's something that we normally wouldn't be able to get, right? I mean, bringing this into our community right here in our own backyard, it's something that you want to take advantage of because we're always trying to better ourselves.
That's right, and it's much cheaper than having to fly off to something distant and pay for the hotel and everything. Here you can stay home in your own bed and just come for the day, and yet you're still getting that same top quality interaction with other leaders and input from the best in the world.
I love it. So exciting. Now I understand you guys are going to have an event launch for this. Tell me a little bit about that. That's right around the corner, guys, so you're going to want to mark your calendars.
It's coming up quick. It's April 10th. That's a Wednesday. It's a free lunch. That's always a good deal. At Christ Community Church. That's right. So arrive at noon for lunch, and then there'll be a webcast at 12:30 giving us all the details of the speakers and the lineup for this year's summit. And usually we're able to offer some special deal for the registration for people who come to that launch date.
I'm so excited. I know you guys have had so many people involved in the past, but if you haven't been involved before, guys, you're definitely going to want to get in on this. If you need more information, the contact information is right here on the screen. Mark those calendars, guys, because this is going to be an event you don't want to miss.